You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. On Tuesday, the main news were record achievements on Wall Street and Nvidia's new attempt to displace Apple from the position of the most expensive company in the world. Increased interest in technology, artificial intelligence, and corporate revenue continues to set the tone in Asian markets. In Tokyo, the Nikkei index rose above 40,000 again, and this trend is likely to be reflected in European stock markets. In the United States, the S&P 500 index has reached record highs, and the Dow Jones has exceeded 43,000 points for the first time. The growth of the indices was supported by the strengthening of shares of microchip companies and the successful start of the reporting season for the third quarter. Nvidia shares jumped 2.4%, reaching a record price and increasing the company's capitalization to $3.39 trillion. This brings Nvidia closer to Apple and puts it above Microsoft. Reports from a number of major banks are expected today. In particular, Bank of America is expected to report a decrease in profit for the third quarter, while Goldman Sachs may show revenue growth due to consulting and underwriting services. Citigroup will also present reports. For European markets, important data for today are reports on employment, inflation, and industrial production, as well as the European Central Bank's review of bank lending in the Eurozone. This report will be taken into account in the expectations before the ECB meeting, where it is likely that a decision will be made to reduce the interest rate by a quarter point. If the rate is actually lowered, this decision may put pressure on the euro. However, the single European currency, against the background of expectations, is already declining. Therefore, after the decision is made by the regulator and against the background of subsequent comments from the bank's representatives, it is possible, among other things, that the quotes will resume growth, at least in the short term. And now to the crypto market. On October 14th, spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States recorded the largest inflow of funds in the last 4 months, more than $500 million. The significant inflow of funds coincided with the fact that Bitcoin reached a 2-week high during evening trading on October 14th. At the same time, Ethereum funds have not enjoyed the same success. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.